Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another powerful day, another step forward in our journey. I hope you're doing well and staying consistent and staying focused on your goals. Before we begin, take a moment, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and stay connected with us. Because every single day we are sharing something real, something practical, something that can help you understand this journey better. And if you're serious, if you really want to learn, if you want to be part of this journey, then message us on WhatsApp. We are always there to guide you step by step. Today we are starting day 2 of our new challenge. After successfully completing our previous $500 challenge, that challenge was executed with full discipline, and we delivered exactly what we promised. And now, this is the second day of our $5,000 challenge. We started this challenge with a clear vision to show you that growth is possible, whether your account is small or whether your account is big. We are starting from $1,500, and our target is to move step by step toward $15,000. And we are confident because this is not the first time we are doing this. We have done this before, multiple times, and we have shown you the results. Our last challenge started from $500, and we took it beyond $2,000. That is the level of execution we follow. And now, day 2 begins. Once again, welcome to day 2 of the challenge. I want to ask you something. How is your trading going? Are you making profits? Or are you still struggling with losses? Are you following a proper system? Or are you just entering trades randomly? Write in the comments. Share your experience, because your engagement matters, and it helps us understand what you need. Right now, the market is active. Crypto and Forex both are moving with volatility. Opportunities are there, but without proper strategy, it becomes difficult to maintain consistency. This is why platforms like Deriv give flexibility, and with the right system, execution becomes smoother. Today, day 2, we start our challenge again from where we left. We began by analyzing the market. We checked different indices. And at that moment, volatility 25 1 second was the better option. And again, let me make this clear. The analysis you see in front of you is just for transparency, to show you everything is real. Our actual system runs on deeper logic, structured execution, and disciplined control. After selecting the market, we moved to bot, where our bot was already configured. We carefully set the parameters. Volatility 25 1 second selected. Stop loss set at $600. Take profit set at $1,300. Stake size set at $128.32. After confirming everything, we started the bot, and this is where discipline plays the biggest role. No panic, no overthinking, just trusting the system and letting it execute. Now listen carefully. Every successful journey is built on consistency, not on shortcuts. When you follow a structured system, you remove emotion from your decisions. And when emotions are controlled, your results become stable. Growth is not about chasing big numbers in one day. It is about repeating the right process again and again. When you stay patient, you give your strategy the space to perform. Confidence comes from understanding, not from guessing. And when you understand your system, you stop fearing the market. Every step you take builds your experience, and every experience shapes your results. You do not need to rush. You need to stay consistent. Success is not about being perfect. It is about being disciplined. When you stay committed, results will follow. Your journey is your responsibility, and your growth depends on your mindset. Stay focused, stay calm, and keep improving. This is not the first challenge we have completed. We have done this many times, and every time we have shown you real execution, real results. And now, day 2 result is here. After launching our premium bot, it took just 16 minutes. To reach our take profit target, the bot executed around 121 trades, 110 wins, and 11 losses. And you can clearly see everything in the video. We secured approximately $1,300 profit from a $6,103 account. This level of execution comes from structure, not from luck. Day 2 of the challenge is completed. We delivered what we planned. And this is just another step in our journey. We started this challenge to show you the power of consistency. This is what happens when discipline meets strategy. And this is what controlled execution looks like. The journey is still going, and we will continue sharing everything with you. The next step is coming. Withdrawal is coming next, and we will show that as well. If you want to be part of this journey, if you want to understand how everything works, message us on WhatsApp. We are here to guide you. You can also visit our website, www.alphaderibit.com. There you can explore our system, understand our approach, and see how everything is structured. We are building something long-term, something consistent, and something practical. This is not about promises. This is about process. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your support. Stay connected, stay focused, and get ready for the next update.